Alright, we're recording. Seems like I'm always in my favorite jersey and got my hat on. I got my doggy right here. You see her peeking. And then you got Buster. And they had an eventful day today. I had to get after them a little bit because they were bad doggies. But they're okay. They're good doggies. And just, you know, Buster got fleas. Trying to figure that out. I ain't got the money to do it. I've had this here. It's been helping. It's more like antibiotic ointment, but I rub it on his sore spots, and he don't itch that no more. And you know, you do what you do. Had a little scrapping today. Truck broke down. Fuel pump on it. Went out and Dodge. I'm doing great. Well, I guess I'm doing great. Unemployment is unanswered for 9 weeks, so dealing with that, you know, but I'll be okay. Only behind on 2 or 3 bills. I'm gonna get off my ass and make that money. I don't care. So I made this today. I got lighty here, and hopefully it ain't too much. It's only $32. If you guys can't see that, I apologize. But anyway, I only had like 450 pounds. It's 140 at that time. It's whatever. And Dixie, she likes to be in the video. And there's my buddy. But, you know, Kim, my #1 fan, say hi to you. Scrap Pout Man, hi to you. Jerry, Dumpster Diary Guy, hi to you. I don't know, whoever watches. And being divorced now, it's kind of difficult. She want to photobomb you guys. She wants to say hi. She's like panting. Like she ain't got water. I think it's just excited. But anyway, I'm doing alright. I will figure the rest out. Cut my grass today. The lawnmower sucks. And let it grow. The grass grow too high. And a good lawnmower, I'm still trying to figure it out. Not working right. Not staying running. But outside of that, I think I'm doing okay, but could be better. Being single is good. Buster over scratching. I gotta hit that spot too. I got some ointment to put it on it. Stop him. There's my beautiful boy. My Dixie photobombing it. Anyway, Kim, love you, honey. You're godsend. Send your friends requests. Think it was you, but anyway. Sometimes life is hard, guys. Trying to figure out. Trying to figure out everything. It's like, wow. It's a lot. Like, literally, I got a garage full of whatever crap for a family of 3. And I gotta get rid of all this stuff. I don't know how. So I'm just gonna get out there tomorrow or the day after and try to go through it. Because, you know what? You can't throw it all away. Because God's garage sale stuff. I was getting stumbles of my mouth. But anyway, that's what it is, you know. I'm gonna start selling on eBay and make me some more money. And yeah, I'm, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do good on that. I know I can. But anyway, guys, God bless you, love you. Well, there's the doggies. They're doing good. This one right here, spoiled rotten. See here? Every time I just do anything. Dixie, come here. Come here. You want to get over there? See? She wants to get over in the picture. Spoiled rotten. Big baby. She knows that, like, she has this and a pink hanky. I lost a pink hanky, so I gotta get another one. I wash clothes a few times now. I don't know hat pink hanky. I use old clothes and make her little things spoil rotten. Alright guys, love you. God bless you. Take care. And from me and Dixie, God bless. And then you see how she wants to be it.